So you gotta order your food from here?
Yeah, you can.
But you can also go to the counter, right?
Yeah.
You can also go to the counter and order your food, but most people would order from the machines they have here in front. It's the new 909. What do they have, Rob? Pizza and get it on grill. That's all they've got. And they have a bar too. Huh? It's the new food court here at Yaamava. Touch to order, the 909. Show you how to use this. So if you want to go to Tai Chi, and you just click on it, and then you click whatever your order is. I ordered, and then after you order, you what? You pay for it.
Yeah, you hit the.
Yeah, I did order the bok choy.
Then you add your
And
card.
then you add it to the card. That's like $7. And then it shows on top that you ordered it. And then when you're ready, you can cancel it. And then when you're ready, you just check out, right?
Yeah.
And then you continue. Alright, let's do a step by step. Is ordering from the Pizza Mayhem. And what are you gonna order, Rob?
I don't know. Look at this. Meatball, sausage, pepperoni.
You're gonna have that, the carne.
I'm thinking of it.
Yeah, that looks good. How much is that?
$12.
$12.
Pepperoni, tomato, mozzarella. Should I go ahead and get this?
Yeah, I guess. And then do you want to add garlic, nuts?
You want to try it?
Nah. And you're just gonna go finish.
Yep.
And then it gives you that, what, checkout?
Yeah.
$12.
Yep.
$12 is your total bill. And then what do? Continue?
Yep.
And then what's next? Oh,
If you want to put a tax.
if you want to put a tip.
Yeah.
So which one you gonna put in?
I'll give him 15%.
15% tip, take out. And then what? You're
Enter
gonna
your phone.
enter your phone. You gotta enter your phone number, and it's entering his phone number right now. And then continue after entering the phone number. And then you're gonna enter your first name. Enter your first name. And then once you're done with your first name, you're just gonna hit continue. And then now you're gonna swipe your credit card.
I don't have any of that.
Skip.
Yes, I
That's
don't
the
have.
total.
Yeah.
And then now he's gonna enter his credit card. The total bill is
$13.80.
$13.80. So down here is where you swipe your credit card right there.
What happened? Payment was canceled.
Try again. Try again with card. It didn't take your card. How come? Enter it again. Just swiping it. Authorizing. Transaction finally completed. Alright. And we have a receipt. And then they're gonna text you. They're gonna send you a text message for your order. Pretty easy. That's a lot of food. It was $17. And I got 2 sides, bok choy and fried rice.
Just a slice of pizza.
So I got kung pao chicken in teriyaki. Oh, it's just a slice?
Yeah.
Oh,
was
it's
gonna
not
order
a
the whole
whole
thing.
pizza. How much is the slice?
12.
$12 for a slice. Wow.
I ordered the whole one to go.
Big bar. It's good.
Yeah.
One slice, it's a big slice for $12. You like it though?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
I like the capicola,
Capicola. It's got capicola and
pepperoni,
pepperoni, and that's it.
and it has I think it's sausage
Yeah.
or meatball.